Welcome to our tutorial on how to add custom properties in Microsoft Excel. Adding custom properties in Excel is important because it helps organize and categorize files, making them easier to manage and search. It provides quick context with relevant details like client names or project deadlines, enhancing metadata for tracking and reporting. If you need to know how to add default Excel properties, be sure to check out our previous video. Let's get started. First, open Excel and make sure your workbook is ready. Click on the File tab to access the Backstage view. In the sidebar, select Info to view the workbook's properties. Under Properties, click Advanced Properties to open a detailed dialog box. Navigate to the Custom tab where you can add new properties. You can enter multiple custom properties here. For example, add Client as a custom property. Select Text as the type, enter ABC Limited as the value, and click Add. This property helps identify the client associated with the workbook. Add another property, Date Completed. Select Date as the type and enter today's date. Click Add. This property tracks when tasks are completed. The custom properties you added will be displayed in the Properties box below. Once you're done, press OK to save your changes. To delete a custom property, reopen the Advanced Properties dialog box. Select the property you wish to delete, such as Client, and click Delete. This removes the selected property. Press OK to finalize your changes. In summary, adding custom properties in Excel helps you organize your workbooks more effectively. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. For more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Excel, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor.